While DNA is generally known for its double helix structure, there are different forms or conformations that it can take. These conformations are influenced by factors such as hydration levels, chemical environment, and the presence of proteins. Here are the three main types of DNA. 1. aDNA. Structure, right-handed helix, similar to bDNA, but with a wider diameter and a shorter pitch. Conditions, typically found in dehydrated conditions or when bound to certain proteins. 2. bDNA. Structure. The most common DNA conformation, right-handed helix with a diameter of about 20 angstroms. Conditions found under normal physiological conditions in most organisms. zDNA is a left-handed helix with a distinctive zigzag pattern. It's less common and is often associated with specific DNA sequences or protein interactions. These are the primary conformations, but there are also other, less common forms that can exist under specific conditions.